Welcome to Affiliate Marketing 101, a step-by-step guide to starting and managing your own affiliate marketing business. Step 1. Choose a niche. Find a topic or industry that you're passionate about and has potential for affiliate marketing. Step 2. Research affiliate programs. Look for reputable programs that align with your niche and offer competitive commissions. Step 3. Sign up for an affiliate program. Fill out the necessary forms and provide the required information to join the program. Step 4. Choose offers to promote. Select products or services that are relevant to your niche and have high conversion rates. Step 5. Obtain unique affiliate links. Generate personalized links that track your referrals and ensure you receive proper credit. Step 6. Share these links. Utilize various channels such as social media, blogs, and email marketing to reach your target audience. Step 7. Attract traffic to your affiliate site. Implement SEO strategies, engage in content marketing, and leverage social media to drive visitors. Step 8. Convert visitors into customers. Create compelling content, optimize your landing pages, and provide value to encourage conversions. Step 9. Track affiliate data. Monitor your performance, analyze metrics, and make data-driven decisions to improve your strategy. Step 10. Optimize your affiliate strategy. Continuously test and refine your approach to maximize your earnings and long-term success. Congratulations! You now have the knowledge to start and manage your own successful affiliate marketing business.